advertisement. Yeah, so Harvey, yeah. I want to say that your speech is really fantastic, and generally speaking, I think it's a well-prepared speech because I could see from your control of the slides with your cooperation with your lines. And the second is you have a very good structure. You have a clear opening and then have a body part that you give every example of your hobbies and the thing that is special, and also have a transition in a body part. And at last has a conclusion that you join Toastmaster to have a change. And now I'm going to do the good parts. The main points of your speech is that I really think that you have a good opening that triggered my interest to you, because you said that your Chinese name is Wei Yuchen, and then at that time a friend of face just flashed into my mind, and I just going to have a plan that in the intermission I'm going to go to you and say that, hey, do you know I have a friend called Wei Yuchen, and then you just give us exactly same scenario of what I'm going to say to you. So at that time I really think that you're a Toastmasters in a C1 speech. Yeah. And the second part is the good structure of you is that I think you you have a very good strategy of elaborating your speech. It's like you give your hobbies, and you don't like to have sports in sunshine, or you go to BBS, and your special thing is to study hard, and you just put it in a main point and elaborate each of them and give an example of them. And then it's the transition part. You in your speech you have a transition from the last. The last is you talk about your special things, and you said that is you get good grades and you study pretty good. But after you enter NTU, you think that you are not special anymore at that time. And I think this is a pretty good transition because you put it in the middle and then you combine it with the hobby. It's one of the point that you can go into another part of your speech. And next one is you have a pretty good slides, because as you show the picture of sunshine, you makes everyone laugh out loud. Yeah, so I think you are pretty good at choosing pictures. And then for the suggestion parts is that in your speech, it's like you have a climax. Like you said that you want people to remember what you say, what you do, and you need a change. You need to change, and then you join Toastmaster. I think it's just like a movie or fireworks that you just ended in the climax part. But I just at that time I thought that maybe you could speak one or two more sentences that talk about after joining Toastmasters what you want to achieve at that time. Yeah. So generally speaking, I think it's fantastic and really good. Yeah, thank you. So, TME.